Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download your new defaults. When you're ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down, click on App Management and select the default apps at the top. Then tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on the one that you wish to apply and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!